So we got the new Yoke right now, and my friend has never driven with a Yoke. It's gonna be her first time. Let's see how she does. So you've driven a Tesla before. You've driven it only with a normal steering wheel. We're trying out the Yoke now.
Okay, this is brake and then this is gas, right? How far back do you have to sit? Oh, that's so weird. I want to go like that, but you don't have to. You can just hold it, which if you're in like a really windy area, this is a lot better. That's tight.
Right, doesn't it?
That's a really tight, like it makes a tight turn. This feels like I'm way more aware driving this car. Have more control driving. And this is more natural. Like I was telling you, we're always holding our phones. So like we're used to holding like this. And now this just feels more normal to me. Okay, I'm used to driving maybe with like my hands up more. So already adjusting my hands to like go further down.
Yeah, that's definitely an adjustment you'll have to make.
Yeah, it does. It feels more natural. Like I'm already going like down here as if like resting.
So it's more comfortable to drive too.
Yeah, I'm a shorter person. So my biggest thing is if it comes to like here, I'd be like worried. You can still feel the heat though.
All right, so coming up on a roundabout right now. So she's gonna try, do a full circle on the roundabout and then go right when you do one full circle.
Yeah, you have way more control over this. I am focusing this one hand right here, next one.
Turn right there.
Okay. See, even when I wasn't sure, like it responded immediately.
So nothing changed about the car, but it just feels more responsive.
No, if it like I drive a stick shift, so I'm used to more like having to maintain like control of the car, and like you can like feel like the engine. But this car doesn't have an engine, but this is like the equivalent of like me feeling out the car. When I hit my Tesla, I probably put a yoke on it immediately. It does feel a lot more normal.
All right, so we have another roundabout that we're gonna do. So you can do a full roundabout.
The only thing I would say is like normally you want to bring your hand like all the way up here, but like immediately like my thumb just goes over.
You can just grab it on the top.
Yeah.
So this is a full 360 roundabout turn right here. And then she's just gonna go right out here. You can see that the Yoke just goes around and you can grab it from the bottom, which is nice, and back to the straight kind of driving position.
You know like the Wii controllers when you would play like Mario Karts?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just old like that, but then you'd have like this steering wheel. This is what this feels like a little bit. Mario Kart style.
We're trying out making a right real quick. Oh, you like moved your hand.
Yeah, I'm used to.
What was that?
I'm with like the stick shift that I drive. When I make like right turns, sometimes I like hold the wheel and then I go like that because my hand has to be over here.
Okay, this one you can't do that.
I know.
How does that
That's
feel?
why I was like, wait.
Try to make a left now.
See, like going right feels like it feels normal to me. And you can put your thumb like right here, which is nice because it lets you have control when you are turning. If you're like me, like my resting position is this on like the Fusion and the rest of like the wheel. But this allows me to have like more of a natural feel of like, if something happens, I grip the wheel and I can turn it.
Just go straight out. Yeah, go out. And then go to the right. How'd that turn feel?
Even though it was a shorter one, it felt like more control.
So this road's gonna be pretty windy, so this is gonna be a great test for the Yoke. First we have a slight bend right here.
I have to like get used to it a little bit.
The hand positioning, yeah.
Yeah. Like this feels natural to me for big turns, but then when it's not a big turn.
You can really see how much the turn is bending here, and it's really dramatic on how much the Yoke is turning.
Yeah, you can definitely
Make
tell.
it right here. And then we're gonna go down some windy roads. How did that turn feel?
That felt good. Going right feels natural to me, and then going left is like you can feel more of the turn for some reason to me.
Do you feel like it's a hindrance, it's about equal, or it's better than a normal round wheel?
I think it's normal, especially like having
It feels the same.
to deal with stick shift. I think you just have to like get used to it. It could just because it's a new wheel that it's a little bit more tighter.
Well, Tesla has tight steering already.
When I was driving like the other Teslas, it's like practice. It didn't feel like this. So this does feel like brand new, like tighter.
All right, so now we're gonna pull into a parking lot and see if you can reverse the car. Try to reverse it right in front of that sign right there. So go that way and then reverse into the sign. So you can
Look
get
there,
the turn.
chicken. Hello, chicken. Oh,
So now-
I scared myself. I thought I hit the brake and I hit the gas.
So now time to reverse it and just reverse over to there.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to turn it.
Oh, that's weird.
That's weird? Uh-oh.
Oh, I don't think I like that.
You don't think you like that? Okay.
I don't think I like that. No, that's, how do I explain it? It's like when you have a full wheel, you can have like full control. But like me trying to reverse right now and pay attention to two things.
So you don't like going hand over hand?
It's scary. Yeah.
Do you slide your hand on a normal steering wheel when you make turns?
I can slide over.
See, that's what I can see being an issue.
Once you have a full turn and now you're just like fixing yourself, then it's like, okay, it's not a problem. It's normal. But then if you're doing it like that turn, immediately like my brain went like, that's not normal. Because normally I just slide over and I can keep turning it.
So are you just not used to it?
It would freak me out, genuinely.
Do you not like it?
I don't like that.
Is that a deal breaker? The real question is now, would you get a Yoke?
Would I get a Yoke? I would still get it because I don't reverse often enough for it to matter. So I would still get it, but I'd say if you like reverse parking, if you parallel park a lot, then I would say practice a lot and don't reverse like your first 2 weeks of using the Yoke. I mean like reverse, but don't do it in a setting where you can mess up your car.
Right, you heard it here. She's just scared of the reverse, but other than that, she loves the Yoke and she would totally get one. If you want your own Yoke, check out the links in the description below the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you know anyone else with a Yoke, let them watch this video, share it with them.